What up people, and welcome back to the channel. So as you can see, this is going to be a pet video and how I created this little dog bed just for her. Alright people, so every good DIY starts with a nice old trip to Home Depot to go and collect some supplies, which are very few in this case. I went to get these 2x1s or 1x2, and I got 4 that I wanted to just make the frame. So 3 was to create the outer part of the bed, and then one I cut in half to kind of create a little entryway. And when I got home, it was kind of like how it was for the last time, where we just assembled it together. Now, truth be told, guys, I'm trying to get a little better with recording step by step when I do my DIYs, but some of the things when I filtered through the video trying to edit, it seems like it's not as necessary to be as long. And when I'm going over my analytics for the videos, I'm noticing that a lot of people go 2 to 3 minutes into the video, so I'm trying not to make the videos too long so that most people can watch the entire video instead of making it. So I just cut out the cardboard that was the size of the inner part of the wood frame so that I'll be able to add my padding to it. And I didn't have accurate measurements to this because I kind of just measured the space that I know I wanted this bed to be in. So this was more customized to my space, and if you're doing something like this, you would probably want to measure the area that you're going to put it in, because that's how you're going to get the accurate space. So again, this was customized to my space, but it's essentially the same idea, getting thicker wood frame pieces and a flat wood so that you can attach everything together. So I wanted this piece to kind of still blend in with my living room, because this is the place that I was going to put it, in my living room. So I did spray painted it gold, but the gold was looking a little bit too loud for me, so I wanted to tone it down a little bit by two-toning the piece. So to make the cushion piece, like the actual bed for her, I ordered this mattress cover padding from Walmart for like $12 or $13, I think. And that's what I used to kind of cut it to size of the cardboard that I was going to put inside the frame to make her cushion. And I'm going to explain it more as the video goes on, but this is just giving you a brief oversight of how I put it together. So I got done putting on the fabric, which was a leftover curtain that I wasn't using. So I'm going to try to put legs on it just to kind of amp it up, because I do want it to still match our living room decor. And as you see, she's here on me, been around the whole time. But it is a good thing, because I want her to smell and be able to be familiarized with what's supposed to be hers. So I don't mind. I don't want to go through all this work building it and then she don't like it. So, come on, girl. On the side. So again, okay. So I got these from Dollar Tree, and these are the mini planters. So they come in a pack 3 for $1.25. And what I did is I just spray paint them gold, and I'm gonna like glue these on the base to kind of have make it look like furniture legs. So if you guys remember when I did the picture wall frame, I used this all-purpose glue, which is a very sturdy glue, by the way. Oh, there she go. And I'm gonna use this to adhere it, but I'm also gonna use some hot glue as well so I can get that immediate bond, and then we're just gonna work from there. I am making sure that I am gluing this on the base wood, not the frames, because I want it to be on something more solid. So let's get that started. And another thing before I do it, I did cut 2 of the metal rings off the curtain as well, trying to figure out how I'm going to use that, but I am going to figure it out, and I'm going to wrap it with diamond too, because she's a girl, so she needs to have some glam, even though I still want to match our living room decor. So let's get this going. So the idea now, you know, I can do it like this too. Yeah, while that is dry. Well, those aren't good. So I want to clam this up like that. Because like I said, Phoenix is a diva. I wonder if I should pull from it. Let's see how it looks. Like if I do it like this. And then pull it like that. Like that. Oh, I think that would look nice, right? Okay. Let's put the thing on it.
What thing? The bed? Yeah.
Let's see. It's like razzle dazzle. So if you missed it earlier, in the earlier part of the video, I did wrap my phone in like a black garbage bag. I used whatever garbage bag. The idea was to use the shower curtain liner, which I thought I had and couldn't find it. So I ended up using a garbage bag to wrap the foam, and then I wrapped it with fabric just to, it's more for security and safety. Like our dog she's potty trained, she pees outside. She hasn't had an accident in months, which is a good thing. But at the same time, dogs do have accidents. So just to secure the foam so that, you know, I don't have to worry about pee staining, soaking through or anything, I just wrapped it with a garbage bag. And if for some reason she had an accident or whatever the case may be, I could always change out the fabric on top, but I'll know that the foam I could reuse over and over, whether I want to change out the style or just to change it out to, you know, get rid of it and change something new. Because at the end of the day, it's our dog, like they have accidents. So that's how it's secure. I think I might put some rhinestones in the entry, or I might just paint it just to see how it look. It is looking mucho grand, especially on the spokes. Let's see if she like it. Come on, Phoenix. You can do it now. Come on. It's cushy? Yeah. You like it? All right. Come on. Come on. Oh. Now, look. She don't want to get off it. Okay. So I think I'm going to add something in the front. This is hot. No, this is hot. Just to, give it a covering right there. Woo! At least we know this fabric too. We can like, rollie with one of these things to like clean it off when it gets too hairy. The lint roller, because she does shed from time to time, especially when the season change. Yeah, so let me cover that entry point, and then we're gonna get it set up in her little station. This is going to be in the living room, right next to our TV stand, and it's just gonna give us something somewhere to lay, because she does have her cage and a little bedding in the kitchen area, but it's kind of isolated when we're all in the living room. Oh, and she likes to be where we are, so this will actually give her a secure space, something that she can't move all over the place, because we did used to buy different dog beds, like two to three different dog beds, but she would like flop that thing all over the place and take it where she want to take it. So this will be her designated living room area, and then she has her designated kitchen area, and it's gonna secure the longevity of the dog bed too, because if you have puppies, they kind of run through. I mean, at least mine. She's a digger, so she's always digging into the corners of a bed.